Hi and good morning from Germany. I'm still near Hameln, about 25k away. I'm just about to start my third day of cycling here and also the final day, unfortunately. Going to be a short one, 55k. So let's just get started. And well, the sun is out and about, so it's relatively early for me, 10:30, 10:45-ish, which is good. So I'll have a 4-hour ride, I think, today, and then head back home. So see you later. Right, I forgot. There's supposed to be quite a few storks in this little village. I don't exactly know where, and I don't have the time to figure out right now. I might double back on the car later on and see if I can find some storks. Because if you've seen my bikepacking trip through France, I stopped by in my first episode in Münster, and in the full expectation of seeing quite a few storks up there, but they had gone for the season. For the first time ever, I didn't see them there. And the whole Alsace region is known for their storks. It's pretty much in every souvenir shop as well. Now I am in Elbrinxen. I've only done 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Full on headwind again, both for 4. So I've pretty much had it with those headwinds, but yeah, can't be helped really. I think in an hour and a half, I'll be mounting the Köterberg, I think it's called, the highest peak in this district. It is again a lovely day out. It's still 7-8 degrees because it's still early. I expect it to rise up to a whopping 12 degrees though later on the day, but for now I'll just soldier on. See you later. That could be a stork. Well, you expect motorcycles any second now, as this is the road to the top. Seems like a rider's paradise. Yep. Well. Well, I learned my lesson from yesterday. Well, looks like we're going up there. I've got another 1.5 kilometers to go. I expected lots of bikers, lots of people, but well, this view, you're absolutely right. Well, that was a Köterberg. Now we descend on tarmac this time, and then I have no clue, so we'll see. Well, I'm about to enter the old city center of Blomberg, and there's bound to be some restaurants there, so Kaffee und Kuchen has to be, and ice as well. So let's go and find us some. And with this nice ride along the Schiedersee, Schieder Lake, I've arrived back to my car, and that marks the end of 3 days of cycling in this beautiful region around Hameln. I can certainly recommend it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this little series, and if you do, just give it a like if you can. That would be nice. I've got plenty of videos lined up, but this editing stuff takes more and more time per video, it seems. So it's gonna be a little while. But until then, I hope you enjoy your rides and stay safe out there, and I'll see you in a next video.